Hello folks, I'm here again by the pool, Elliot's pool, on the new chairs that have been purchased from, and I've just looked at this now. It says it's made in Italy, these chairs. Now I'll show you the chairs. Brand new chairs. They actually look really nice. Don't get me wrong, they are great looking chairs. Brand new deck chairs everywhere. There's mine. One thing I'm going to say right now, there's an issue that I had with my weight of pushing against it, and let me show you what I mean. See? They keep falling back. The pressure of my body weight pushing against the back here, there's clips on the side, but unfortunately the clips that they do have that keep it upright, the back side, they're not very good. I even pushed on it with my hands, and the pressure of me pushing with my hand, see, that's exactly what happened. You see now I'm literally horizontal on the chair, unintentional, not good. Beautiful chairs, poorly constructed little fingers that keep the chair up on the back side. Not the fault of this resort. Made in Italy, by the way, as I said at the beginning, but very poorly constructed mechanism. Now the mechanism pulls the clip into the little crack of the crevice that has the little clips. I'll show you in a different video. But the pressure of me pushing on it with enough slight pressure, even with my hand just slightly pushing on it, the clip slides up, creating, as you see now, me lying on the freaking ground basically. And it happened to me multiple times. This is just the 5th or 6th time in the last half an hour. No pressure on the back. Otherwise, this is what happens. Great chairs, beautiful looking chairs, poorly designed clip on the side, which I'll show you in another video. Wanted to show you this because this is honestly very dangerous. Thankfully, when I fall back, I don't get hit on the head. I just post here. But still pretty dangerous and surprised me multiple times. That's all I'm going to keep it at for now on this video. I will show you the clips, what I'm talking about, in another video. Ciao for now.